So in order to download Excel, you know that you have access to Microsoft Office for free as a student. So go to the homepage for our course. So just click on homepage and you'll navigate here. And right down here, Office 365, click on FAQs. And this will bring up a list of frequently asked questions, but also it has a link that takes you to Microsoft's website. So right here, how do I get free Office 365? So click on this link and notice what it says here. Put in your T-Wolves email address. Follow the link that was sent to your email to complete the registration. So they just want to confirm that you're an actual student. And then go ahead and install. So here, make sure you're using your T-Wolves email address, otherwise this won't work. Since I've already done this on my machine, it's probably not going to let me get very far. But right here, enter your school email address. Okay, click on Get Started. You will click on I'm a student. I am clicking on I'm a teacher. It tells me I already have an account. Now you probably will not get this same screen. So you're going to have to put in your ID, right? Your T-Wolves ID. And then it'll say, I'm going to send you an email to confirm, right? So go to your email to do the confirmation. Once you're able to log into Microsoft, right, you'll get to this part. Okay, so mine's going to look a little different than yours. But you get to this screen, and right here you see Install Office. And if you click on this, it says it'll let you install all the apps, including Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., etc. I think you can choose to if you don't want to install everything, but just go ahead and do the installation. You also can install for Mac OS. So you should be able to do that this way. If you have problems, you can contact myself. You can contact our OIT as well. All right, just shoot me an email if there's anything wrong.